Welcome to Quiz a la carte. Are you a general knowledge champion? Let's find out. Up next is a challenging 25-question, multiple-choice quiz covering 4 general knowledge topics, including geography, science, history, and literature. Let's get started with the first question. Which sea separates Europe from Africa? Black, Caspian, or Mediterranean? The answer is C, Mediterranean. Which of the following is an example of a simple machine? Battery, lever, or generator? The answer is B, lever. Who is the primary author of the Declaration of Independence? Thomas Jefferson, James Madison, or Benjamin Franklin? The answer is A, Thomas Jefferson. What is the real name of the author known as Mark Twain? Eric Blair, Samuel Clemens, or Charles Dodson? The answer is B, Samuel Clemens. He was a riverboat pilot, and Mark Twain was a depth-sounding term. Which is the smallest ocean in the world? Atlantic, Arctic, or Indian? The answer is B, Arctic. Which organ in the human body produces insulin? Spleen, kidneys, or pancreas? The answer is C, pancreas. Which country gifted the Statue of Liberty to the United States? France, Italy, or England? The answer is A, France. It was a gift to celebrate the centennial of American independence. Which novel depicts a future where books are outlawed and burned? Brave New World, Fahrenheit 451, or 1984? The answer is B, Fahrenheit 451. What is the name of the crescent-shaped scar in the Earth's crust that marks the deepest known part of the world's oceans? The Abyss, San Andreas Fault, or Mariana Trench? The answer is C, Mariana Trench. What is the chemical symbol for silver? Ag, Si, or SV? The answer is A, Ag. Ag comes from the Latin word for silver, argentum. Who was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize? Bertha von Suttner, Mother Teresa, or Marie Curie? The answer is C, Marie Curie. She was the first woman to win twice, and the only person to win in 2 different sciences. Which novel features the Ministry of Truth? 1984, The Handmaid's Tale, or Brave New World? The answer is A, 1984. In the NATO phonetic alphabet, which word represents the letter Q? Quiz, quick, or Quebec? The answer is C, Quebec. Halfway done. Keep going, you've got this. How many countries make up the United Kingdom? 3, 4, or 5? The answer is B, 4. The countries are England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland. Which layer of the Earth is made of liquid iron and nickel? Outer core, mantle, or inner core? The answer is A, outer core. Which war was fought between the North and South in the United States? World War I, the Civil War, or the Revolutionary War? The answer is B, the Civil War. Which Shakespeare play features the feuding Capulet and Montague families? King Lear, Antony and Cleopatra, or Romeo and Juliet? The answer is C, Romeo and Juliet. What is the capital city of Ireland? Cork, Dublin, or Galway? The answer is B, Dublin. Which planet is known as the red planet? Mars, Venus, or Jupiter? The answer is A, Mars. Iron oxide on the surface gives Mars its reddish appearance. Which empire was ruled by Mansa Musa, often cited as the richest person in history? Aztec, Mali, or Ottoman? The answer is B, Mali. He ruled in the 14th century, and his wealth came from mining significant gold and salt deposits in his kingdom. Who is the narrator in the novel To Kill a Mockingbird? Atticus Finch, Jem Finch, or Scout Finch? The answer is C, Scout Finch. Which strait separates Morocco and Spain? Strait of Gibraltar, Strait of Hormuz, or Strait of Malacca? The answer is A, Strait of Gibraltar. What is the scientific study of Earth's structure, composition, processes, and history called? Biology, chemistry, or geology? The answer is C, geology. Who was the British monarch during the American Revolution? King Charles II, King George III, or King James I? The answer is B, King George III. Who wrote the 1937 novel of Mice and Men? John Steinbeck, Ernest Hemingway, or William Faulkner? The answer is A, John Steinbeck. The story follows the characters George and Lenny during the Great Depression. Thanks for taking the quiz. Share your score in the comments. See you for the next challenge.